Hi, my name's Dave, and my wife and I bought this vehicle and that van, the vehicle we bought last year. The van we just picked up in the last couple of weeks. And we'd noticed that, surprisingly, the vehicle was struggling a bit on some of the long uphills towing the van. And we'd seen the guys here before, so we said, let's drop by and we'll get the service done, which we did. And maybe they could put in a chip and an exhaust to just give us a little bit more get up and go. When they did that, they also measured the weights, and we found we were this close on the GVM, and the van was also this close in terms of its max weight. So whilst we were within the law, we were close. And after a bit of thinking, we decided, why don't we put in the suspension upgrade? And we decided to do that, and the clutch upgrade so it could cope with the additional power. And amazingly, we made those decisions yesterday. They've made it all happen today. So that's 24 hours later. They've just made it all happen. And they've been easy to deal with. It's been a lot of fun, actually, learning new stuff. And I'm just amazed at how they're able to give basically independent advice, because they're not obliged to sell any particular thing, and the result's been outstanding. So certainly from my experience, it could be different for other people. From my experience, I would say absolutely come and see the guys here, let them check your van out and provide you with some advice, and then it's up to you to make a call on what you want to do.